Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export Notability notes so you can send them to cloud storage, email them as PDFs or save them directly to your iPad's Files app. So we will export a single note now. So the first option, so open up note you want to export and then tap the share icon, so square with an upward arrows. So first we need to go here to the top right corner where you see this monitor kind of way, and then tap on that, this one here, and it will open up small menu, and then we have here export options. Now choose this one, and now you can choose the basically what you want. So we have file format PDF, note JPEG, PNG, then you can include background paper, add page margins, include audio recordings, page range, and you can also set the password. And when you are done, just hit the whatever you prefer, and this will then save your uh, note. And yeah, this is how you can do that. So if you want to move an entire subject or several notes at once, uh, you can go to the main gallery. So go to the library, view, tap the share icon. So let's go right here, gallery, or we can try right here. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we will select the notes. For example, sorry, I will show you how you can do that. So at the top right corner, you will see this circle with the three dots in it. Click on it and then select notes. Now you can select all of them, and at the bottom you will see export button. Click on that, and as before, you can set up file format. It's the same as before, and then you have some more options. And when you are ready, just hit export button, and then you can send it through email and share with the link and so on. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next